Number 5.
Is a high-performance appliance tailored for both home and commercial kitchens. Equipped with a robust 2200W motor delivering up to 3 horsepower, it efficiently handles tasks like crushing ice, blending frozen fruits, grinding nuts, and pureeing vegetables. Its 6-wave action-hardened Japanese stainless steel blades ensure consistent and smooth results across various ingredients. This blender features a variable speed control with a pulse function.
Number 4.
The 1 to 5 minute timer function with automatic shutoff adds convenience, especially for
Multitasking in busy kitchens.
safety is prioritized with a jar safety switch that prevents operation without the jar in place, and a motor overload reset switch coupled with an automatic overheat protector ensures longevity. The 2-liter BPA-free, FDA-certified jar is designed for durability
Number 3.
and ease of use, featuring a rubber comfort grip handle. Its stylish titanium gray spray-painted base not only adds aesthetic appeal, but also houses a low-noise operation system, making it suitable for environments where noise reduction is appreciated. The blender's versatility extends to preparing milkshakes, green smoothies, hot soups, sauces, raw food diets, ice cream, fresh juice, and more.
Number 2.
Included with the blender are an English user manual and a recipe book containing up to 125 recipes, enhancing the culinary experience. It's important to note that the jar is not dishwasher safe, and users are advised to test the blender with water before the first use and avoid grinding dry ingredients for over a minute to maintain optimal performance.
Number 1.
For those in Bangladesh, the Biolomix 3 HP 2200W heavy-duty grade timer blender can be ordered online through various international retailers that offer shipping to the region. Prices may vary, so it's advisable to check current listings for the best. Multifunctional electric juice extractor cup for daily use. Healthy and environmental friendly, food grade and non-toxic material, safe to use.